Xiamen AUTON Import and Export Limited was established in August 2003 and is located in Xiamen City, Fujian Province, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 170 square meters, and the associated factory have 3,500 square meters with 50 employees. We are specialized in various of bags. Our company has rich experience in the bags industry. Our main products are cooler bag, backpack, travel bags, laptop bag, mountaineering bag, cosmetic bag and school bag, smell-proof bag, diaper bag, etc. We keep expanding its market and connecting with the international market. The product sells well in American and Europe and receive praises from our customer. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We have smart, experienced designers, advanced arts, ideas, and technologies to meet the customer's requirements. Also, OEM and ODM is acceptable to us. We are constantly developing new products and projects to meet the needs of different markets. Adhering to the principle of mutual benefit, reliable service, and high-quality products, we warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us and create brilliance together.